Hi, as lockdown period is about to end and economic activities have already started in a small way and are likely to reopen, with factories and establishments starting afresh, literally, there is an immediate need for you to get back to your drawing board. If you haven't already done it, I want you to look at these 3 steps which will help you to do that effectively. The first step is to get all your team members for a debriefing session, if not already done, either virtually or in person, depending upon what is possible for you. The debriefing session is essentially to focus on, to start with, what has changed. With what has changed, what are the new things that we need to do? What are the ways in which we had to approach the market, the customers, our supply chain, our finance, whatever. Though as a business owner or as a CEO or as a top executive, you may have your own inputs that you might have gathered in the last 1 or 2 months during the lockdown period. It still makes a difference because everyone has been observing, everyone has been watching a lot of YouTubes, being part of a lot of webinars. Predominantly, a lot of people have been learning a lot and gathering insights. So, an open debriefing session where you get to meet with all of them and sort it out. Once that is done, the next is to move towards gathering the insights that emerges from the debriefing. For example, it could be what we call as a market temperature. What is the current market temperature? Dipstick approach, as they say. What is that has changed in the last 30 to 60 days that we need to take note of immediately? That we need to focus our attention immediately so that when we get back to market, we are not outdated. Whether we have to change the channels, whether we have to change the way in which we serve, whether we have to add some product lines to what we currently do. One of the things that I have seen with many people who are having borderline alignment with health and healthcare related industries, they have conveniently latched on already to the post-COVID market space in terms of, for example, this is just an example, supplying sanitizers, masks and things like that. Even if you take one of the garment exporting hub of Tamil Nadu, they have completely revamped the strategies to focus completely on these items because for the next 6 months to 1 year, the basic raw material being the same, the output just having to be changed with some minor modifications. They have taken huge steps in redoing the strategy, gone back to the drawing board and started doing business in a big way already. So you need to find a way in which you can realign to the market space, what we call as a market dip study approach or market temperature approach. Based on the debriefing session, this gives you the time for you to gather the insights and put things together. Once you've gone through the debriefing and then gather the insights, the step 3 is to define your objective and do the replanning for the next 3 to 6 months at least. You might have already planned in the last year itself, your last quarter maybe, Jan, Feb, March itself, your plan for April, May, June. But all of them would have radically changed now, considering that the market that currently exists is not the market that was existing when you made the original plan. Hence, there is a need for you to realign your objectives and then based on the realigned objectives to make your goals and then make your plans for that before you get back into the market space. These are the 3 things that you need to do very quickly. You have another few days left before the lockdown officially is likely to be lifted. Just to sum it up, get a debriefing session with your team members. Once that is done, step number 2, gather the insights that has come through the debriefing session, make your priorities. Step number 3, realign your objectives and goals to suit the current market needs and space for the next 3 to 6 months and make your plans for relaunching post-COVID, post-lockdown situation. If you're able to do these 3, in all probability you will be able to easily survive the post-lockdown onslaught that is likely to happen in the marketplace. Once you cross the survival stage, it's a question of stabilizing for the next 6 to 9 months. Once you cross the stage, which may go on up to March 2021 or even slightly beyond, then you are ready to surge ahead in the new market space where already you are now very well established. survive, stabilize, surge ahead. Please go ahead and use these 3 techniques that I shared in this video so that your business gets a proper footing before the lockdown gets lifted and you're ready for the post lockdown COVID situation. I wish you the very best. Thank you.